Because all my fans, please let's forgive Ada Mercy Jesus. Bikono. Come on, no me for job by Alazia.
Hello guys, welcome back for Kongosa and Gossip TV for another social media wahala and celebrity gossip. My people, this one na kind of an update. But before we want to talk insight, if not the first time this way is stop for this channel, you're welcome. Enter with your popcorn. For all returning subscribers, thank you for the support way. Una don dey give this channel. And if you dare never subscribe, my people, wait till they wait for Kuku, smash on that red subscribe button and turn on your post notification so that whenever I upload video, you go be amongst the first to be notified. So my people, this one na matter for Ada Jesus and e paralysis way e don't paralyze my people and the ailments way e dey pursue am everywhere. So my people, this our brother one that they see am for years, so na native doctor way Ada Jesus one that they see, so e be insulter my people. He say na fake, say they do this, they do that. Yes, and that Jesus, he don't come out again still for the same prophets for come apologize, or this native doctor as they call him, for come apologize my people. After where he don't go for Lions Church for Prophet Odumeje we go apologize, and Prophet Odumeje he take curse am to death. Oh my people, he say no they forgive him, he no fit forgive him. Say him if we don't talk him before say ye they know they insult and they go scot free my people. So now this our native doctor one that they see, so he don't come out say he can reverse every curse way Prophet Odumeje he don't put am for Ada Jesus in body. He say he don't forgive am wholeheartedly. He dey beg say me actress Rita Edochie together with Odumeje and anybody wey Ada Jesus he don't insult or offend them, make them forgive am. He say they reverse the curse my people. My people, they talk at times say things where they happen this day for outside, you know they know my people. Now they reverse the curse, they struggle for cleans. He say anything where Prophet Odumeje don't curse her, say this girl he did so he not go better for him. He say they cancel him because say the girl he don't come with forgiving heart, he don't come for apologize. And say Prophet Odumeje no be God though. Say make you forgive, Should be they preach now about Jesus Christ, my people. I go leave the video all make una the CMO. Yes, and as if that one is not enough, my people, another NGO it does still come for this Ada Jesus matter. But my people, before one talk against put up, make we listen to what way it they happen. We'll see what way that they talk about.
That is the video. Because I'm in Facebook. That is the video that will destroy your home, because this is your daughter. And once you have already, he said that he pity the whole world that coming here, then I will not in your family. I can never. The day I start to wake up, to think and went to mountain and bring down the citadel, I forgive several times. And I hand my help for her. Still yet, in a few weeks, he do another video. That is why I asked, what did I do? And called Odumeje, Madina Boga and say, where did I know this lady? What connection? For one day I have never had any discussion with you. He said, what?
La devil is at the wall. Devil is at the wall.
It's your sister.
Devil is at the wall.
Now you know that devil. The same devil, I will make sure that God of heaven that using me to destroy you and start again. Nobody speak against me, Godfrey. I am not a man you can joke with.
Miracle. Or Odumeje said, bring somebody for fake miracle. Anything I want on earth, may I never ever see it. Are you hearing me? But if I did not, Ada will not get up from this sickness. The husband came to me in Imo State where I was filming. He knelt down and was begging, please forgive Ada. I said I will not. Ada insulted me, insulted my home family, my whole family, insulted my great prophet on Apuala.
I'm going to do it from my heart. If I do not forgive this girl, let me not see good in my life. I have forgiven this girl. with all my heart.
Charlie.
Because all my fans, please let's forgive Ada Mercy Jesus. Because come and know me for job by Alazia. Because let her be healed. Let her be healed. Because Odumeja by Alazia Ada. No, why not ballet war? When I was a little war, I my Jesus Christ. Why I forgive now? Ema forgive you, and the boy go no your biko. You don't man buy like Buchuku. Why I don't want mother no. You go get married, man buy alone. Or can you go more?
People, una don hear wetin wey Rita Edochie e don talk, una don hear wetin wey Prophet Odumeje e don talk, and una don also hear wetin wey this native doctor e don talk. And this native doctor e talk say e don forgive Ada Jesus sincerely from his heart, and say they beg make Prophet Odumeje he forgive am to my people. Meanwhile, we get Akens Foundation where he don come out for can talk about this same Ada Jesus matter. My people, before one chook mouth put make we read the caption where he come with them. He talk say we urgently need the contact of Ada Jesus or her family. We urgently need to fly her to India for kidney treatment. Anyone with details should immediately revert to us. My people perish for lack of knowledge and out of ignorance. Thanks. My people, this one loud though. It talk say make a break and down for us. Say Ada Jesus, you know, they suffer na curse, but if they suffer na kidney problem, my people. This one what he mean no. Anyways, make we read the direct request where Akens Foundation is sent out, my people. In talk say, dear date, that is 10th of April 2021, we are a non-profit organization. As shown above, we write to request your urgent response regarding a patient, aka Ada Jesus. We intend to fly her from Nigeria to India for kidney treatment as a matter of urgency. The patient's photo is the one we already sent to you. Your swift response in this regard will be highly appreciated. Yours faithfully, Akens Foundation. Akens Azubike, founder of Akens Foundation International. My people, na don hear o. No be me talk am more. Yes, wetin una think? Because according to this foundation, no, na kidney problem. My people, make una write for comment section wetin una think about the matter. Make una no forget for subscribe, for turn on una post notification, and for like and share. And I go see una for my next video. Love you all. Choose.